Small craft advisory right now. That could be dropped to a caution tomorrow as the seas come down. But you can see at this point, looks 3 to 5 Palm Beach County, 4 to 6 on the Treasure Coast. Add to that the little swell around. It does improve on Sunday. Early indications for Sunday suggest about 2 to 3 feet. 64 overnight, partly cloudy with that nice ocean breeze. Tomorrow warming up into 80-degree territory. With a little more humidity around and a few isolated showers. It'll be breezy in the afternoon. The 7-day forecast, warmer still on Sunday. We just kind of keep that warming trend going through Monday. There'll be some afternoon rain on Monday. Could be a couple of thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon, 84, and then a big drop in our temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So a nice weekend, just a slight shower chance, warm and humid.